Okay, hi everyone. I am here, and very soon Neeti also will be here. Welcome everyone. Welcome, and finally, yes, it's 6:30. I hope I'm right on time. I mean, 5 minutes delay, but that's fine because we're Indians, used to it. Hi Maurya, how are you? Okay, so guys and girls, I'm just waiting for Neeti so that I can add her up, and then we can come live together on this day. Well, it's been a special day, and we have actually. Hi Darshan, how are you? I had a lot of memories for this show, so yeah. For you guys on special demand, on heavy demand, because last time when I was live and you guys asked me for a joint live session on this day. So here I am, as promised, and as I told you that I will be here. So yeah, considering your request, I thought at least this is the least we could do together. So yeah. Okay. Meanwhile, how's everyone? And yes, to start with, Eid Mubarak to everyone out there who has been celebrating Eid, and may Lord, may Allah give you a lot of blessings, a lot of happiness, a lot of success, and of course, health is priority. So yes, please take care of yourself alongside. So yeah. Thank you. Okay, Neeti. I'm waiting for Neeti. Neeti. Guys, I'm just waiting for Neeti. Hi, Vidhi. Hi. So at least I'll start at least interacting with you guys. That's more important. Meanwhile, Neeti is taking her own sweet time. I don't know what is happening. I'm not getting any sort of requests. Yes,
Hello!
finally she's here. Hi, hi, hi.
I was here since really long and I'm trying. I sent you a request, लेकिन हुआ ही
Oh,
नहीं.
okay.
पता नहीं.
Yeah, maybe I just scrolled your name and then I found it out. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. I am good. You're looking good.
How? Yeah? Am I not looking
Is it?
sad?
Oh no, no, no. Your face is visible, so face is looking cute. I think. I guess you were like this only during the show as well. Nothing has changed in
हाँ,
7 years. You're
I
forever
know, no?
young.
Forever on.
Yeah, but it's
So
good. It's
how
good.
was
I
your
mean,
trip? You've been traveling so much. You went to USA. That is so cool.
Tashank sir is saying hi. By the way.
अरे wow! Hello, sir.
So yes, coming back to a question. Well, the trip was really good, and I enjoyed a lot. And of course, you must have seen a lot of stories, a lot of food stories,
Yeah,
traveling
yeah.
stories. Yeah.
I was still liking all your pictures also. I was like, he's killing, he's ruling it. We all are here dying in like in the lockdown. but you're
This
killing.
time, actually, I was like, okay, fine, on a break, let's just explore yourself, explore. In fact, I'm not that active on social media as well. But then this time, I thought,
Yeah.
you know what, nothing is
But
happening,
this
so let's
time,
do that. Let's try and explore.
but back to back, you are like full Instagram pe you were chowing everywhere. So that is really good.
And I could only see your chroma wale pictures, which you still
Yeah,
have to
yeah.
edit it.
अरे क्या
Which I
यार,
told you that
over
you can
here
make it a
ऐसे
beach. You can also make it Florida, Miami, Vegas, behind you.
I do that. I do that soon. But where all did you go? You went to New York?
I went to Texas, New York,
Huh.
Texas, and Michigan. That's about it. And Chicago.
But where in Michigan?
Michigan, Detroit.
Oh yeah. I saw. I've also been there. I love the
Yeah.
place.
Oh,
I
you've
love
been there.
USA. Yeah.
So
I've been
the
to
place I
Orlando.
love the most is Ann Arbor. The place I love the
Dude,
most over there is Ann Arbor. Ann Arbor. Ann Arbor is the
I've
college place of Michigan University. So
Acha.
it's very
Nice.
lively, yeah. Orlando, I
Wow.
missed out. In fact, this time I was planning for Miami, but I couldn't go. So mostly March I'll be going.
Oh wow. So you were just tripping and enjoying yourself. Tripping.
Yeah. Tripping now, only trip. No tripping.
So congratulations, 7 years. How do you feel?
Yes, I feel as if we just begun, hai na? Our journey has just begun, and it's been 7 years already. Time has just flown, and
But
it's
you still look the same.
2014. Hmm?
Yeah. I said
I still look the
time
same.
has flown, but you still look the same. Like people
No,
mature
even you look
and
the
then
same.
start.
Yeah,
हाँ वही
even
I
you look
said
the same.
we. हाँ
Yeah,
we.
we look the same. Even I hope even Shashank sir looks the same. So tell me, Neeti, how much life has changed post
Please.
Yariya? I mean,
Please don't ask me this question. I'm so bored with this stupid question. It's just
okay. No, as
Yeah.
in tell me all the good parts. I want to know. I want to know all the good parts, like good things that happened in your life in last 7 years. Like overall,
Actually,
general.
I thought after Shadi and all. I was like,
No, not at all. Overall, general, what has happened, how your life has evolved, like how you were in 2014 and how you are right now. That's what I want to know.
I think I was very, very mature and
In 2014.
yeah,
That's true. I agree
2014.
with that. I agree with that.
I was very immature and I was just, I think I never cared for, I was never serious about a lot of things and also made friends with stupid people and can't say the date word now. So I was friends with the wrong people. I think I had the wrong company. I didn't know. Like, I think right now I'm very mature. I know what is right, what is wrong. And I'm very positive about life. Like, that's what I think. Like, you know,
That's
I
what
don't
matters.
carry, like, ने ये बोला तो, you know, I used to keep that in my heart and, you know, continue life and all. But now I don't, like, it's fine, yeah, life goes on and there's just one life and hoti rehti hai stupidity. So just, you know, you have to be positive and not pay too much heat. I think that is improved and
Correct.
है ना? You relate to it?
Yeah, absolutely. No, I totally agree with you.
Yeah. So
right now you're trying to say that you're a better human person, positive, with all positive vibes, correct?
I was always a good human being. I was always misunderstood. I would say that. But
okay.
now I know how to explain myself, like how to put myself across. I think that is there. And yes, I've grown as a person. I've learned a lot, and now I'm very mature. Like पहले से तो.
अच्छा. मतलब mentally. क्योंकि face wise तो हुआ नहीं है.
Mentally, I will never age.
Okay, yeah. You're X-Men. You are mutant. Anyway.
Yes. So you
Yes.
tell us. I think everybody would love to know how was your journey.
Neeti's, your video is blur. Someone is saying, by the way. You're in low network.
नहीं मेरा तो full network है.
Are you in Delhi, Mumbai? Where are you?
I'm in Ahmedabad.
No wonder.
Whenever I have chroma
Ahmedabad.
pictures, I'm in Ahmedabad.
तो ये जो क्रोमा पिक्चर्स जो आपके हैं वो जो पीछे से आते हैं वो कहाँ से होते हैं? The nation wants
So
to know.
basically, over here in the army, if you have a garden, so basically you have a ground floor or a first floor. That's it. Okay. So either you have a terrace or either you have a garden. But every garden, if you go to a can area or something, सब ऐसे ही green chroma cloth से उनको cover किया जाता है. So that's like a margin, you know, like they have and this and that.
Mhm.
So it's everywhere.
So
You enter and it's
So you
good.
stay for good now over there in Ahmedabad. You stay for good.
What?
You stay for
No,
good.
no,
As
I
in like.
should
Why should I?
I
No,
I
it's
don't
just a
like
question.
Ahmedabad. I don't have friends also here. So
Come
I
on,
just
come on.
don't
You're
like.
not supposed to say that in front of public. You're not supposed to say I don't like Ahmedabad. People will get
But I
offended.
don't like. I mean, honestly,
Right now,
I've
you just said
changed.
that you're mature enough.
But I'm very truthful also. I don't like the city because
Oh shit! Again, you said it.
yeah.
Because I know the reasons why.
Why? No.
I think the entire country knows.
No. What are you drinking? Somebody's asking. Parth, what are you drinking?
Coffee. What else can I drink at 6:40? Coffee.
Why can do anything? People can drink lassi
Yeah, I know.
also at 6.
It's 4 p.m. Curfew time, so obviously you can start drinking right now also.
Yeah. Why? Oh, Bombay में 4 p.m. curfew है?
Yeah. 4 p.m. curfew. Even in Pune, I'm in Pune right now.
अच्छा, oh, okay.
So I've come to my house.
Ahmednagar.
Huh?
Ahmednagar.
Ahmednagar? What Ahmednagar? No, Pune.
नहीं पुणे तो यू अहमदनगर आगे या पीछे कुछ आगे है आई थिंक
उसके आगे है, पुणे के आगे है.
Yeah, so over there's a lot of army thing that keeps going on.
Oh, is it? Okay. Ahmednagar
Yeah.
और औरंगाबाद?
No, Ahmednagar.
वो तो पुणे में भी बहुत आर्मी थे ना एनडीए पे.
Yeah, वो तो NDA में.
Okay. Anyway, coming back to our Yaria topics. So we are here. Basically, I just want to tell you, Neeti, that last time I was live, couple of weeks back when I was in US, a lot of people actually asked me, and I was very apologetic when I didn't know what was on 21st because they were like, "Come live on 21st, come live on 21st." I'm like, "मैं क्यों आऊँ? मुझे नहीं आना." So then they said, "No, it's Yaria's this thing and ye and wo, and then it will be great if you could come with Neeti." So I said, "Okay, fine. You know what? I'll talk to her and we'll come." So yeah, here we are. That's just letting you know because I couldn't tell you properly why did I choose this, and this is the least I could do for people. And let me tell you, last time when they asked me that are you guys coming up with season 4 and all, I finally had an answer, by the way, for that.
Oh, you did? I also want to know.
Yeah. So the answer. So meanwhile, everyone's saying your video is still blur. Okay.
So should I just
Just
cut
let it-
and you'll accept my request again?
Yeah, sure, I'll do that.
Yeah, okay, ठीक है.
Okay, Neeti's network is bad, so she's trying to call me back again. So let's see if we could connect it again properly. I thought my network was bad, so I was not able to see her properly. Okay, am I getting her? Thank you so much, Parvati Devnath. Thank you, Parvati. Hi, Divya Verma. Hey. Hi, Geeta. Kishwar Merchant. Hi, beta. Congratulations for 7 years. Thank you, Kishwar. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you too. It's been, so much has happened in these 7 years. I'm sure for you as well. And congratulations on that. And I shall catch up with you very soon. Okay, Neeti is telling me she's back, but I can't. Okay, let me see where I can. How do I add her? Yes, much better.
Yeah? I don't know what.
Yeah, much better now. It's clear. Almost. I mean, almost there. So I think from 2G you've come to 3G. Soon you'll be on 4G.
आ रहा है.
Neat is back, yes. Okay, so to answer your question, which I told you, I mean, to answer everyone's question, okay, why aren't we coming back with season 4? Apparently, I discussed this with a couple of writers, and I tell you later on with whom. But they, in fact, told me, okay, Parth, it's kind of pointless to make season 4 because we have explored so much and we have given a proper ending to especially Manik and Nandini, Manan. They like shown the proper ending where they're showcasing their marriage or their wedding or whatever, they're dressed up in that. So it's more or less it's that only. Now what else to explore? So their question was to me in season 4, what else could we do? I mean, you could see Friends, for that matter. You could see Friends with a proper ending over there where couples are getting married and everything, and that is the end, season 10. So simultaneously, what else could the show? So I was asking the audience, what else do you want to see of Manik and Nandini after marriage? I'm sure you guys won't be interested in watching how Manik and Nandini are taking care of the kids or taking them out for groceries or school, or what is the issue? There is no issue at all. So, and of course, Manik and Nandini showing as proper husband wives, and then there is a third person coming in their lives. I don't think that will be a Kaisi Hai Yaari Hai. That will be a proper family show. What do you think of that? Obviously, that won't be a Kaisi Hai Yaari Hai, because Kaisi Hai Yaari Hai was all about college. And once you lose out of that college charm, it's gone. So that was my answer basically. And people were like, people understood it, in fact. And they kind of understood the reasoning behind it. And in fact, I even told them that if you want, literally, you still want it, you could actually connect with those people, the writers and the content creators, and then we will be glad to do so. Hena, what do you think about it?
I've always said that. Please don't ask us ki kab aayega. We're just the actors. We'll just say yes or no, but we will say yes. But yeah.
और अगर इतना ही आपको बनाना है तो हमारे अकाउंट में आप पैसे डाल दो, हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं खुद.
And we'll make it however you guys want it.
Yeah, we'll make it however you guys want it.
Yeah.
Fan demand के ऊपर हम स्क्रिप्ट लिखेंगे.
हाँ. So how's Pune weather?
Pune weather is lovely. I mean, at least it's better than Bombay, because Bombay has been raining and pouring like cats and dogs. Over here, it's much better, and but all the more it's cloudy all day. But it's okay, manageable.
But is it like Bombay humidity?
No, not at all. It's dry. It's like Delhi.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
Over here, bad.
How is Ahmedabad? Came cho.
Jama
Chu.
Whom Gujarati chu, you know, na?
Yeah, I know. Even your husband is?
No, he's Punjabi.
अच्छा, he's Punjabi. Okay, nice.
हाँ.
तो ये कौन से मैट्रिमोनी साइट पे आप लोग मिले?
साइट में नहीं मिले, हम बचपन में मिले थे. उनकी मॉम वाज माय क्लास टीचर.
तब तुम 150 साल पहले मिली थी उससे.
हाँ, एकदम. I still look the same.
Yeah, that's what.
I think I can ask us some questions because we're here and this is what you all wanted. So you can ask us questions and we'll be happy.
No, I know what questions they will ask. They'll ask if we want season 4. When is season 4 coming?
तो वो अवॉइड कर लेंगे ना, because आंसर तो दे दिया.
अभी अगर पूछें तो मैं बोलूंगा कल शाम को 6:30 बजे आ जाएगा सीजन 4. ताजा फ्रेश ले लेना.
Repeat any dialogue of Manik and Nandini.
Repeat any? Yeah, I think we should do that, but unfortunately I don't know anything. So if you could just.
I just know Ayyappa.
Ayyappa, wow, that's a very long dialogue.
That's a very long dialogue.
Yeah. So even I know. Someone actually reminded me. Harshad.
Yeah, he's married or he's got engaged, na? Abhishek?
Who? Really?
हाँ. I think शादी हो गई. मैंने congratulations भी लिखा हुआ. पता नहीं.
शादी भी तुम्हारी तरह secretly.
Next time शादी हो गई. आ जाना.
हम लोग secretly करते हैं यहाँ पर, मतलब यार ये भी सही है.
So
I want to know who are you in touch with from Kaisi Hai Yaari Hai? Because it's been 7 years. It's been a long journey. Are you in touch with anyone?
I think only with you and Krisan वैसे.
Krisan.
Like, हाँ.
What about Karan?
Yeah, but not
Oh,
like
too
on and
hot.
off. Like, no, like on and off. We like check on each other. That's it.
हाँ तो हम भी तो ऑन एंड ऑफ ही है. हम
हाँ,
कौन सा
but
चेक एवरीडे अहमदाबाद कैसा है, पुणे कैसा है, बताओ जरा वहाँ पे तापमान कैसा है, खाना खाया क्या तुमने आज?
क्या खाया मैंने? बीन्स खाए.
वही क्या गुजराती में और क्या मिलेगा यार. खा छोड़ो आप, रहने दो. No, I've never liked. I'm not fond of Gujarati food.
Even I don't like Gujarati. I don't like meetha khana only.
Yeah, it's too sweet.
Yeah, I'm just naam ki Gujarati. Otherwise, no.
Achha. So work-wise, anything interesting, anything that you are up to or planning?
Lockdown starts, yaar. It's just really. वो होता है ना कि somebody who has bad luck and bad kismat, that's me.
Yeah. नहीं, बहुत लोगों का है. बहुत लोगों का है.
Something happens, either I get dengue, either something happens, something or the other is always happening. Like
तो कुछ हो रहा है अभी, कुछ होने वाला है आगे जाकर? Anything in future?
I am coming back to Bombay in September, so I'm super excited. Like finally,
okay.
It's been a while.
So anything, give us some clue. Fans are really excited. Nation wants to know.
Let it happen, yaar. I'm telling you, my thing is so bad right now that even if I say something, अभी वो क्या बोलते हैं, मैं शनि बहुत गंदा चल रहा है यार.
अभी बस वो लोग रुके हुए. नीति ने जैसे मुंह से बोला, अच्छा टीवी शो कैंसिल कर दो, उसने बोल दिया कैंसिल कर दो.
Shani is very bad right now, so I'm not saying anything. But yeah, all I can say is that let it not get cancelled. Let it just happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's
with you?
I remember
your web series. I mean, it was. I've not seen it, but we plan to see it because we love Z5. No. I'm being very honest. We love Z5. I love Z5. पता नहीं कितना I have seen, and then. Yeah, no, but I loved the trailer of it.
Thank you.
And even your accent, like the way you speak, ekdam bhaigiri mein na bhai.
I'm overwhelmed that you gave me 2.5 minutes of your life to watch it. Thank you so much.
I swear I will watch it.
Thank you so much, Neeti. You made my day.
No. But what's with you? What are you doing? You're doing movies and all. Aapka naam to bahut. Every viewer is going. Every viewer you are. So what's happening?
Like you, I would like to say that let's just keep it the way it is right now, and then let's see, because kabhi na kabhi kuch bhi ho sakta hai. And again, it's a difficult process. It's not an easy one, and everything should fall into place. Everything. I mean, it's not one thing. There are 10 things we should come together. Together. That too, if we are looking out for something really big and nice, you have to wait, and you have to wait for the right opportunity. So yes, I would just like to say let's just be quiet and let's see how it goes, and then automatically people will get to know.
Your 2019, 2020, 21, it's like you've been shining, and how like it's just been you, like because I like follow, and you have chowed in like
chowed. ये कौन सा वर्ड है? chowed.
तुम छवा गए सब जगह यार.
तो ये वर्ड कौन सा है मुझे बताओ. ये दिल्ली वाला है. chowed
वाला है. I have a Delhi in me also.
Of course. तुम्हारे उस दौरान भी था तुम्हारा दिल्ली वाला थोड़ा सा.
And over here, sometimes I'm like, hey, Hateli, and then everybody's like, I'm like, oh my god, what am I saying? And people are just like, from where is this girl come? I was like, Bombay.
Nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was telling people in my last chat that if given a chance, if not season 4, we would be glad to do something on the same lines, like romantic or anything. Me and Neeti together, I'll be glad. And,
everybody's doing a video. I want to do a music video. Arey, you are the music video industry also. मैंने तो गाना भी देखा पूरा.
Yes. I have 2 more music videos coming up, so please watch.
See?
And this time, spare 2 more minutes. Oh no, song hoga 3.5 minutes. So spare 3.5 minutes plus 3.5 minutes, 7 minutes of your life. Thank you so much. Yeah, share, subscribe, comment. Okay.
I will. I always share.
Yes. Thank you so much. But yes, coming back to this, so I in fact told people that I'll be glad to be a part of anything that is in the same genre, like romance or anything. And I've been missing out because after playing a gangster on Hero, I felt that the romantic zone in me went missing. Even in Kasauti, it was more like a drama. It was more like a family drama than romance. So for me, playing in Yaria, I really enjoyed the emotions, romance with you, and people said we had great chemistry. So congratulations for that. And trust me, I don't want to brag about us, or I don't want to praise you, but this is my honest feedback. Like there has been a couple of times where actually my friends, recent, who I've made friends with, who didn't know anything about our show, okay, and they ended up watching something about our show. So they came up not only praising me, but they also praised you. They're like, तुम दोनों की जोड़ी ऐसा लगता है कि chemistry तुम्हारी इतनी strong है उसमें. It could see, and we are not surprised that this show wasn't a hit because the chemistry is really nice.
Yeah.
So, so I'm actually, and I'm giving you very honest feedback. It's not coming from one person, but whoever has seen the show, they could see whatever the snippets or scenes that they are on Instagram or anything. From that, based on that, people have told me, you know what, we haven't seen the show, we have seen this, but the chemistry looks really strong. So yeah, it's I mean, appreciation goes to you as well, that
Thanks.
you have performed really well with your emotions and anything. And of course, the content and Richa, because she made our show the show.
What? Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I mean,
Sure.
there were so many days that I used to shoot with you or shoot with anyone for that matter, and I used to simply just give out the scenes or lines.
Huh.
And then getting to know from Instagram, or that day, those were the days when I used to watch it on Instagram, couple of scenes and all, and I used to see that the kind of background music or the kind of treatment that they have treated, such nicely, beautifully they've put up the romance. So that is something to watch,
And
and
when
that
you
is something I think
come to know कि wow ये इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, you know, like
अच्छा लग रहा है. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
While doing it, we just simply say our lines and we just get done with it.
Yeah.
And
No,
those
but
were so amazing days when we were shooting together, है ना?
sorry.
Those were such amazing days when we were shooting together.
Which was your favorite season?
Favorite season?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, every season had its own this thing.
But which is chalo.
No, I mean, everything was the same. I mean, for you, I think you would say season 3 or something, है ना? Because you were getting mature mentally.
I was a new person by then.
I was a new Good, good, good. No, but for me, all the scenes were really good. And I, in fact, miss out those intense emotional scenes, the one which had a lot of pain and dard and crying and all. I mean, those were the scenes which actually clicked with the audience as well.
I know. A lot. Actually, I think a lot of people could relate to us. So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
just worked. Matlab.
And also our language was today's world. I mean,
Yeah,
we
not
weren't saying something that was very filmy, or those dialogues were very script written. We used to, in fact, improvise and say it according to our language, wherever we were comfortable with.
catch up, and that's how it also happened. A lot of times.
Correct.
And when we never used to rehearse those things, it just used to happen in action.
Okay, so people are telling me Karan is here. So
Karan is
can we add Karan?
Yeah, I think you can add. 3 people can be added. Yes, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
let me
Who's
see.
your actor?
Who's my
Favorite co-star?
Who's my favorite co-star? Here, I am adding Karan.
I am live with you. You can say.
So I've sent the request. I don't